today in Antarctica it's minus 57 degrees and I tried to pour a can of Coke. It didn't go so well.
It's literally frozen. There's just ice here. I haven't been able to use my shower in 3 days because it is frozen completely. The water just won't drain. Like, the water will come out, but it won't drain because the pipes below it are frozen.
We've been a little bit snowed in, not too bad. Some fun snow, and our neighbours have moved a little bit closer. We've invited them in, but they've rejected our invitation today.